Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Language and Life Skills. I'm Matthew Adgan. Today we shall discuss the concept of our self-image. Our self-image. Sometimes at socials and gatherings, you can notice some celebrities, especially ladies, taking out their hand mirror, checking their hair, adjusting their hair or doing up their lipstick again. They want to be presentable before people. Someday they may do it even on the stage. This is a self-preoccupation or over-preoccupation with your appearance. This brings us to the topic of self-image or self-image. Well, in the morning, all of us look in the mirror. We see if our hair is combed well, if we are dressed properly, if you have a beard, whether it is trimmed well or you are clean shaven. Yes, you need to be properly dressed before you step out of your home to meet people. Well, our appearance determines the social response we get from others. If we are properly dressed and presentable, people generally respect us. On the other hand, you go around like a beggar, shabbily dressed, not washed, unkempt hair, you'll be treated like a beggar. And generally, if you smile at people, they will smile back at you. So, what you give is what you get back. We have our social self-image, how we appear to others. This depends, as I said, on our appearance. And according to that, they will treat us. And their treatment will depend mostly on our character and behavior. If you are a student, do your professors and teachers respect you? Do you have the esteem of your classmates? If you are a regular student, you do your work well, you write your exam, you come in time for classes, you submit your assignments in time, then you will have the respect and esteem of your professors and teachers. And your classmates also will respect you. So it is your character and good qualities that will define your social self-image and how people respond to you. Apart from our public social image, we have our own private social image, our own self-image, What is this and how is it formed, our own self-image? It formed by two ways. One is what other people tell us, and secondly, what we think of ourselves. Others may give us positive feedback, and then that helps us for our personal growth. We feel good about it. Appreciation and compliments give us a positive and warm feeling. On the other hand, you might have negative feedback from others, criticism. They point out your faults and shortcomings. We can take these as opportunities for growth. We need not take it as an invitation to be downcast. But if your teachers or parents or someone in authority puts you down and calls you a fool, calls you stupid, etc., do not take it to heart. It will bounce off from you and take it as a challenge to show that you are someone. Instead of reacting, be proactive. Prove them wrong and rewrite your life script. And friends, there should be a proper alignment between our outer image and our inner self. There should not be a conflict between our outer presentation and our inner real condition. Then only you have a healthy self-image. There should be a comfortable alignment between these two. In other words, what we are seen to be outside should be the real me inside. So, for example, if you are a member of a prestigious school or college, you should behave as one. You should not play Mr. Jekyll and Dr. Hyde game. That is, during day you are a presentable, respectable doctor. At night you are a criminal committing murders. That is the story of the very interesting story of Jekyll and Dr. Hyde. This will give you a dual personality, a personality conflict, a dichotomy in your personality. You will have a split personality and it won't help you. Be consistent between your outside and inside. Suppose you are not really up to the mark. There is good news for you. We can repair our self-image. If you fall short of your ideas, you can do a course correction as we do for rockets or for satellites. This can be done in various ways, repairing your self-image. Suppose you have done some things wrong, you can say sorry, you can apologize to the person concerned. If you have committed some sins, you can say sorry to the Lord and make an act of contrition. Go for a confession if you can. Suppose you have been lethargic and lazy. You can shake off your lethargy and start again, start anew. So we should strive continuously to align our thoughts, words and actions. Have an alignment also between your inner self and your outer self. Then you have a healthy, positive self-image. There will be harmony and serenity in your life, and that will help you to go a long way in success in life. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe. See you another time. Bye. Beg your pardon. Let me add a word of apology for a slip of the tongue that I have made about the title of the book of Robert Louis Stevenson. The correct title of the story is Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. The mix-up is regretted. Thank you. See you another time. Bye.